at home during an outage, or in an RV, many have discovered the benefit of a quiet, hassle-free power source when grid power is either unavailable or fails. A conventional gas generator has been a staple for the emergency and off-grid power user for decades. This means contending with the noise of a generator, the hassle of going out and starting the machine, and the unpleasant fumes. A portable power station is wonderfully convenient when you're using a laptop, watching TV, and require some basic lighting. You can use it indoors and you have instant power with flick of a switch. No need to fill the gas tank, and basically no maintenance required. Westinghouse iGen160s review. Westinghouse have been in the electrical supply business longer than any other. Responsible for building some of the first electric power stations in America, they have led the way in electrical engineering from the very beginning. It was only in 2012 that Westinghouse embarked on supplying domestic portable gas generators. Westinghouse portable battery power stations have been a more recent addition. Despite being the new kids on the block in this market, the brand has a long history of innovation and engineering excellence, dating back to the late 1800s. This experience is evident when examining the Westinghouse iGen160s. It is a formidable competitor. When considering a portable battery power station, there will always be a play-off between portability vs power and battery storage. Higher wattage and a large battery will obviously make for a heavier, bulkier product. The Westinghouse iGen160s is a winner in the portability category. Not so much if you need more power or battery time. You can carry it around like a portable radio and take it anywhere. The target user is the outdoor enthusiast. Though, as I mentioned in the introduction to this review, there are countless other uses for a versatile product like this one. The iGen160s is a built-in 155Ah lithium-ion battery and an inverter capable of supplying 120 VAC up to a maximum surge current of 150 W. Your constant running power is limited to 100 W. This is sufficient for a laptop and a couple of LED lights. An Energy Star LED TV, less than 100 W, is also an option. Because AC power is supplied using a reliable inverter, the Westinghouse iGen160s is perfectly safe for TV and other electronic equipment. Even though this is not a pure sine wave inverter, the modified sine wave is clean enough for all AC equipment. It's just not quite as efficient as the more expensive pure sine wave inverters. Most portable power stations, even those that cost more, use modified sine wave inverters. AC power is supplied by a single 120V household outlet. The unit is also fitted with 2x standard 5V USB ports, 1x USB-C port, and 1x USB 3.0 rapid charge port. The USB ports provide more efficient battery usage when powering or charging devices with a USB input. For 12V equipment, like a portable cooler or CPAP, 3x 12V DC ports are also supplied. Westinghouse, quite optimistically, claim that you can watch TV for up to 3 hours using the iGen160s. This would mean using a 50W TV. An average 42 LCD TV draws around 120 W. The same size plasma TV is rated at around 220 W. Though 40/50 high-efficiency LED TV can be as low 50 W, so it is possible. If you're using a 5W LED light, this will run for about 30 hours. This may not be necessary, since the Westinghouse iGen160s has a built-in LED flashlight, with 2 modes, and a larger LED reading light which may be even more efficient. Using the USB ports for device charging, or a 12V CPAP machine, you can expect pretty reasonable charge and running times. The Westinghouse iGen160s has simple controls and a color display for basic system information. A single on-off switch is all it takes to get the power station up and running. There's a switch to turn the inverter on or off. If you're not using AC equipment, you can save battery power by switching the inverter off. When the AC mode is active, the screen displays the letters AC only in green, so you know that the AC outlet is supplying power. A large battery icon displays battery level. Smaller icons, at the top of the screen, indicate DC, AC, or USB output modes, and battery charging. The flashlight and reading light each have an on-off switch. The charge input allows for 3 battery charging options. The wall charger and car care charger, with cigarette lighter adapter, are included with the power station when you purchase it. The solar panel is sold separately. You can use any panel rated for 13V, 25V, up to 60W. Every form of electronic safety feature has been incorporated. It's all automatic, so the machine will shut down the power when a fault is detected and then restart when the issue has been resolved. It is protected against overload, overvoltage, low voltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and has temperature control. The Westinghouse iGen160s is designed for rugged outdoor use and ultimate portability. The quality impact-resistant housing can withstand quite a bit of knocking about. It has a large carrying handle. The outlets are all easily accessible and safe. This is one of the most affordable portable stations on the market, yet I believe it can compete well with more expensive brands. A 2-year warranty signifies a high level of quality. In the final analysis, I feel the Westinghouse iGen160s has the upper hand, albeit by a slight margin. The extra features and specs make the Westinghouse more practical. Thank you for watching our video.